Hey y'all, welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. So we're on to our second box of our Every Plate meals. So the first one we're trying for this is the crispy Caesar chicken. It says with roasted carrots and garlic mashed potatoes. However, we chose to upgrade this meal and add Brussels sprouts. I wish they would have replaced the potatoes with the Brussels sprouts, but instead they replaced the carrots. But nonetheless, we'll be having the crispy Caesar chicken with Brussels sprouts and garlic mashed potatoes. Our meal tells us it should take 10 minutes to prep and 30 minutes to cook. I think that's going to be pretty on point. We'll probably have a little bit of extra time for this one because very, very simple from what the recipe looks like. But as per usual, I have it clipped to my little magnet clip that's going to go on the side of the fridge so I can look at it. We're going to go ahead and get started. All right. Super simple. This is definitely something we should be able to do even outside of the subscription box. So can't wait to see what we get. But I'll move y'all in a little bit closer and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, y'all, so dinner's all done. It took right at the time that they said. If my oven was a little bit better and it preheated a little bit quicker, then like I said, we probably have at least 10 minutes ready or left over for this. I did choose, instead of salt and pepper for the Brussels sprouts, I did add one of my favorite veggie seasonings. It's this Cosmos, what's it called? Texas beef. This stuff is legit. I especially love this on French fries. Even waffle fries. They get in little crooks and little nooks and crannies and stuff, and it's wonderful. But I put this on the Brussels sprouts instead because I know for us, Brussels sprouts, they need a little bit more than just salt and pepper. Even a little Italian dressing, like the wet kind, the salad dressing one, on that is so good. But, so that's the only addition I made to this. Well, I say that. With the potatoes, I doubled the amount of garlic they asked for. Just because we've been making this a few times now, and what they call for as far as garlic, sorry y'all, I'm switching it because the plate's so hot. But what they call for is with the mashed potatoes is not enough to give a garlicky flavor to me. So I doubled the amount of garlic they said, added Texas beef instead of just salt and pepper. I did Texas beef seasoning and pepper. And then the chicken, I left it how they said to do it. So let's see how everything is. I'm going to prop this up here because the plate's hot. Potatoes are good. Nothing different. They're just mashed potatoes. Brussels sprouts, amazing. I'm telling y'all, that seasoning is legit. It is awesome. Now I do love, oh, that is another addition I did. It doesn't say to broil at the very end, but I love the little crispy pieces that you get with Brussels sprouts, green beans, anything like that. When you broil it for just about a minute and a half at the end, it gives it some crispy texture. So that's what I do with this. Now let's see, the chicken is really where we need to figure out if this is a winner chicken dinner. It looks like it's cooked all the way through. It's good. It's actually really good. We still have a full packet of this Caesar dressing, so we really could even put a little bit more across the top of it and add to that. Let's see how it is. But I love the texture difference between the crunchy, the soft, and the chicken. This is really, really good. Yeah, so if you have some of the Caesar dressing left over, or you have Caesar salad dressing in your fridge, I definitely think add a little bit on the side to dip it in, or pour some across, because that's where it's at. Chicken makes this for me. This makes it winner chicken dinner. I know we've had a couple of those so far, but this is yummy, yummy. Again, potatoes, they're mashed potatoes. Brussels sprouts, they're okay, but the Texas beef seasoning that I added to is really what makes it, not so much their salt and pepper. But that chicken is on point. But another winner for us. Let us know if you've tried this, or if this is even a recipe close to like what you make. But we like it, or I like it. We're about to move everybody to the dinner table and see if they like it. Thank y'all for joining us, and we'll be back with y'all tomorrow for another one of our Every Plate meals. Bye, y'all.